What's up, guys? It's Charles Mabe here. I'm in Colorado snowboarding. I forgot to mention something earlier when I talked about washing your dreads. When I wash my dreads, I do my roots usually a couple days after, because right after you wash your dreads, it's usually too much like conditioner or it's a little too soft, at least in my own opinion, for my dreads to lock up. So usually I try to wait like a day or two after washing my dreads to tighten them up, tighten the roots. So usually what I'll do is I'll go to the gym a couple days, like 2 or 3 days, and I'll wash my hair again for a while, and then, or for 2 or 3 days, and then I'll do the roots again. So then by that time, hopefully I've built up a little bit of sweat, and a little bit of the conditioner, whatever is left in the shampoo or whatever makes it soft, has gone out. So then it stays easier for my roots to lock up. So that's just a quick little thing, in case I forgot to mention that, because I don't want people to like wash their dreads and then be like, oh, it's not locking up. Well, that's the reason why. Here, I'll give you a little show of where I am. All right, that's all I got for you guys. Happy New Year, and I'm gonna go hit the slopes. All right, bye.